Hello, I thought today I would show you just 2 more maths magic tricks that you can do to try and convince somebody that you are a math magician. All you'll need for these ones today is an adult or a friend or a sibling, family member that you can trick or make believe that you are magic, and you'll also need 2 dice. So for this first magic trick, you want to ask your adult or your sibling or a friend to think of a number, then they need to subtract 1, multiply by 3, add 12, divide the answer by 3, then add 5, then they need to take away the first number that they thought of. If they do all of that right, you will be able to say to them that their number is 8. The number should always be 8 if they have done the calculation correct. So I'm just going to show you how it should always equal 8, but obviously when you're asking your person to do this, you don't really want them to be telling you the numbers that they're using. You want to impress them by saying, I think your number is 8. So I've thought of a number. I'm going to do 7, subtract 1 is 6, multiply by 3, that's 18, add 12, that's 30, divide the answer by 3, that gives me 10, add 5, which is 15, then if I take away the first number that I thought of, which was 7, then I'm left with 8. Similarly, if I do it for a 2-digit number, so if I think of a number, let's do 12, subtract 1, that's 11, multiply by 3, that's 33, add 12, that's 45, divide that answer by 3, that's 15, add 5 more, that's 20, but then if I take away the number that I first thought of, which was 12, I'm left with 8. So the answer should always be 8 if the person that you're testing has done their calculations correctly. Okay, for this final trick, you're going to need 2 dice. You're going to ask your grown-up sibling, whoever, to roll 2 dice, but don't tell you the numbers that they've rolled. So I just rolled these and I got 3 and 4. So then I'm going to choose one of the numbers. So you need to tell the person to double one of the numbers. So I chose 3. I doubled it to make 6, and then I added 5 to it, which was 11. Then I need to multiply that answer by 5, so 11 times 5 gave me 55. Then I need to add the second number that I rolled, which was a 4, so 55 add 4, which gives me 59. Now I need to subtract 25, so 59 take away 25, which gives me 34. So then you would ask the person what number do they have, and they should have worked this all out in their heads. They'll tell you 34, and you'll be able to say to them, I know that you rolled a 3 and a 4 on your dice, because their answer should always be the 2 numbers that they rolled on their dice. So just to show you that it works, using different numbers, got a 6 and a 4. So I rolled a 6 and a 4, so I'm going to choose the 4. So I'm going to double one of the numbers. I'm going to double 4, that gives me 8, add 5 to it, that gives me 13, multiply the answer by 5, 13 times 5 is 65, add the second number, so the second number was 6, so that gives me 71, finally subtract 25, so 61 take away 25 is 46, so then I would say my answer is 46, so you can say, well, the dice that you rolled were a 4 and a 6. So I really hope that you enjoy practicing and doing these maths magic tricks, and I really hope that you manage to convince lots of people that you are a math magician. Do let us know on your Padlets, Twitter, etc. if you manage to do any, or you've got any way of showing us how you do them. And I'll hope to see you all soon. Bye!